Now we're going to practice a question based on the division algorithm for polynomials. It says find the quotient and the remainder when x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 is divided by x square minus 2. So how do we go about this? We know that the the dividend is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, right? And the divisor is x square minus 2. So first of all, the first term for the quotient, how does that come? We see what should be multiplied with this x square so that we get x cube. It is x, correct? So x is the first term for the quotient. We write x cube over here. Next we multiply minus 2 with x and write it over here. Minus 2 with x is minus 2x. We write it below the term with the same degree of x, correct? Because if we don't do that, this cannot be subtracted from minus 3x square. This can only be subtracted or added in 5x, correct? That is the same degree. Then we change signs. Okay, done. This is 0. This is carried down, minus 3x square. This becomes 7x minus 3. Correct? From here, x square, what should be multiplied with this x square again so that the term becomes minus 3x square. That is minus 3 should be multiplied with x square so that the term becomes minus 3x square. So we write minus 3x square over here. Now done. Now multiply this minus 2 with this minus 3 and write it over here. Minus 2 into minus 3 is 6. So this is plus 6. Okay, we write it below the coefficient, below the constant only. So this is plus, this is minus, this goes for 0. We carry this down, this is 7x, correct? And this is minus 9. Now tell me, can anything be multiplied in positive powers with x square so that we get 7x? I say no, because power of 7x is less than x square minus 2. So we have to stop our division whenever we realize that the power of the remainder, that the power of this term is less than the power of the divisor. Then we stop our division. So at this point we stop our division. From here, what do we get is, what is the quotient? The quotient is x minus 3. What is the remainder? The remainder is 7x minus 9. So we have now reduced the remainder and the coefficient. Next, if you try this at home, just try proving the division algorithm for this question. That is, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Try doing it at home. It is very simple multiplication. Try doing it at home. And solve some other questions related to this with the same, like cubic and power for the power 4 divided by the power 3, like the dividend is of power 4 and the divisor is of power 3, and you have to stop the division. Remember this, you have to stop the division whenever you realize that the power of the remainder is less than the power of the divisor.